exercises daily in your routine. I'm there to help you, as today we are having first trimester session. So like this we will be keeping more sessions every Thursday. It's like first and second trimester, like that. In between, if you have any queries, you can just ask. I can help you. Okay, so let's proceed to the few more exercises. So anyone having any queries till now? No. Good. So I think all mothers are doing exercises, and it's like easy and comfortable also. That's why there are no any queries. Okay, so let's start some exercises in the lying position. So simply you can just lie straight, as in the first trimester we can lie down straight. So we will be concentrating few exercises for our this abdominal muscles as well as our core muscles. Okay, so just lie down. Just keep it back. Okay, so we will be starting first like our ankle toe movement. Just to warm up, you will be moving your ankle up and down, up and down, up and down. Like this, you can just warm up. You can initially do 20 to 30 repetitions. Okay, so after this, just bending your knee, both the knees bend, and you just have to contract your tummy in. Okay, just concentrate on your tummy, and you will hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay, you can keep your hands to feel the contractions. Your tummy should go in. Hold it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. You should do it very gradually, so that your breath should not be holding. Your breathing should be normal. So simply you can just count it as you do the tummy in. So your breath will be not hold. Okay, tummy in, just count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again, tummy in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again, tummy in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again, gradually, tummy in. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay. So like this, you can start it initially like 10 repetitions with 5 count hold. So after 2-3 days, you can simply just increase the hold time, or just increase the sets, repetitions. Okay, so it is just initially first 3 months. After this, you don't have to do any abdominal exercises. Initially, for first 3 months, you will be doing. Okay, the next one, simply you will just keep your hands aside. You will do the tummy tuck with hip knee 90 degree and hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Okay. Similarly, other side. Just tuck your tummy in and lift your legs 90 degree. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Same other side. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. In between, you can relax. It is not necessary just you have to do in continuity all the exercises. You can have a 2 or 3 minutes break in between. Okay, but we are here continuing, so you can just start again. 90 degree, just tuck your tummy. 1 2 3 4 5. Again, tummy in. 1 2 3 4 5. Relax. Okay, so like we are doing these exercises, it will be helping us in the second trimester as well as in the last trimester, that is third trimester, because in the third trimester what happens, your abdomen in the last one, it used to separate from the middle. It's a linea alba. We are doing this because it is very common after pregnancy, after delivery. There is some sagging of the this abdominal muscles, which has been found very commonly nowadays. Because initially mothers don't used to do exercises, and once after their delivery, they are more of busy with the kids, with their newborn baby. So they like. It can be said that they don't get time, or they are that much busy in the baby care. So somewhere they used to miss, and they don't take care of their body. So it's necessary, if you are doing, or if you are taking care of your body from the starting of the pregnancy, so it will be helping you after the delivery also. Okay. So like if you are doing from the starting, so you are aware that yes, I'm doing these exercises now, so I will be continuing it till whole 9 months, as well as you will be having somewhere in the brain, somewhere in the mind that yes, after delivery also I should continue, so that the exercises I have done earlier, it should be benefited after also. So it is very necessary to continue a few exercises after delivery also, so that the strengthening you have did earlier, that can be more boost up. Okay, like diastasis recti, it is very common, that is occurring nowadays, because like if the mothers are having overweight, so after delivery, this abdomen folds are there in your waist that comes, or sometimes your umbilical, that area is very wide because of the loosening of the muscle, or because of that linea alba muscle separation. So it can be prevented early also, and after delivery also, if you are taking proper care of that. So it is like curative, and it can be managed very nicely. And yes, I will be taking a separate session also for, of this abdominal weakness also. Okay, in like few further sessions, we have kept one session for that. Okay, so let's continuing a few more exercises specifically for the abdomen. Okay, so I hope all the mothers are doing well. And if you have any query, you can just ask. I'm there to help you, and then we can easily further progress it. Okay, so you can ask anytime. So I'm going to continue few more exercises. Okay, so again I will be coming in the same position, in the supine position, and we will be doing some bridges and some pelvic tilt. That is very easy, and many of you will be doing earlier also. Okay. So again, in the lying position, simply we are keeping our both the hands at the side of the body, and both the legs bent, our knee is bent, and simply lifting the back, and it should be like comfortable. How much your body allows, just do that much only. Okay? And hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Relax. Again, we will be continuing this. Yes. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So, you have to relax your body also. Don't keep it in a stress. Just relax your whole the body, so that only you have to concentrate in your waist. You have to just lift your waist and back. Okay? Again we will do. Just hold it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yes. Again do it. 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. Relax. Okay? So after this, just keep your legs down. Yes. Just relax your body. Now again bending the knee. You just have to stretch your pelvic area, your legs to one side and your neck to the other side. In this, just you have to relax your leg. Okay? Yeah. Same other side. Come to the middle. Again turn. Okay. Come to the middle. Just relax your body. Then again other side. Coming to the mid. Again. Just stretch your trunk and relax. Do it again. Turn your pelvic right side, neck left. Just keep the stretch. Relax your body. Again, coming to the middle. Same left side your pelvic, right your neck. And relax. Okay. So, now one exercise we will be doing in a prone position, that is only allowed in a first trimester. In the second trimester, you will be not doing any exercises in the prone. Okay. So, let's coming to the prone position, that is on your hands, on your knee. Okay. It's a cat and camel, very common, you might have doing earlier also. But in this, you have to do it very slowly, and you should not stretch it more. Okay, like you have to stretch it at your comfortable level, your body's comfortable level. Okay, so just coming on your knee and hand. Okay, so coming to the horse position, simply first you will just make a cat-like arm, camel-like arm, sorry. Okay, your body allows, do that much only. Okay, now you can make a depression like a cat. Similarly, again, just stretch it up. Now depression like a cat. make a hump like a camel. Okay, so now you can sit and relax. Let your body relax. See, in between you have to have a plenty of water also, so that you can just be hydrated also good. So you have to drink plenty of water also intermittent in between the exercises. Okay, so if you are doing a few exercises of all these, so it will be hardly taking half an hour. So you can just include few this physical exercises and few breathing exercises, and you can do it like 3 to 4 days a week, and this frequency is good enough. So it's not necessary that you have to do it regularly. Just do it 3 to 4 days a week, and with this you should have like a good amount of nutritious fruits also in between. Have good intermittent like foods also, having all the like nutritions. Okay, and with that plenty of water. So now we will be doing just relaxation to cool down our body. So simply just sit straight. If you are comfortable sitting on the floor, like in a this tailor's position, so it's comfortable, or else you can sit on the chair if your body doesn't allow you to sit on a mat or on a floor. Okay, so simply just sit and close your eyes, and you have to just relax your all the body from the this top of your head to the toe. Okay, so you have to sit straight and take a deep breath from the nose. Deep breath from the nose and breathe out from your mouth. Just think of like you're relaxing the body. So first relax your